That's morning.
A wise man once told me, you can party as hard and as long as you want, as long as you get up and go to the work in the morning, son. Get up and go to work. All right, anyways. Yo, what up, guys? What up, dog? We got a quick little video. Let me stop shaking the camera so much. Let me actually just hold the camera still, buddy. Quick little video today. A couple clips from 3 different days, I believe. We're basically finishing up this install. I'm a little disappointed. Things went wrong, you know, whatever. It is what it is. I'm not even gonna tell the story. Just, we need another about a half day. We're gonna go back on Monday, about a half day, maybe even spend the full day. I don't know, I'm yapping. I need to go take a nap. We've been tired the past couple of days. We're actually getting up in the morning and going to the gym. Who cares? Watch the video. HVAC, let's go! Good morning. I'm in the greatest mood ever. Now, I'm just gonna say, I'm not gonna get the best footage from today. I already know that. We're way too tired, but a wise man once told me, you can party as hard and as long as you want, as long as you get up and go to the work in the morning, son. Get up and go to work. All right, anyways. Got the hair down. I'm absolutely a mess. It's whatever. We're embracing it. Let's go eat some lunch. We did not make that hole. Just FYI. Plenum. The whole ordeal. Right there. Filter dryer goes on the liquid line. We're gonna 45 it right there. Got one more to do, and yes, switched over to the night shift. Okay, this is not the finished product. We did not end up getting it done today. We're just about done though. 1, 2, 3. I did put the exhaust right where I told him I was gonna put my line set, so I have to do that on a different day. I'm gonna figure out a different way to get it in there. Hooligans. It did turn out looking pretty good though. I just have to figure out a different way to get the line set in here.